Alright guys, what's up team? Hey, let me know how the sound is. I'm just now getting everything set up. Like I said, I'm at my mother-in-law's right now, and so the microphone's a little bit far away from me. And so with all of that said, let me know what the sound is like. I don't have the same lighting, so I kind of look like a vampire right now. But you know, I'll be Vampire John, that's cool. But look at me, man. I'm looking pale. I think it's got to be the lighting. I wonder if I mess with this, if it'll help. Let me see. Let me try this. Well, I don't know if that helps or not, but let me mess around with these settings. Hold on a second, guys. Sorry, like I said. No, that's not bad. Yeah, I don't know why. It makes me look way paler than I actually am. I guess I'm just gonna have to be pale. I'm trying to mess around with the lightings, but just to show you guys, I'm not really this pale. Look, here you go. Let me see, what is that? 463. Look, maybe I kind of do look pale here. Maybe that backfired on me. There we go. So I don't know what's wrong with this thing, man. My lighting's not the same. There we go. I'm just gonna have to use that. I can always sit back, so maybe I can change the camera angle. Nah, that'll be alright. I'll just be pale today. What's up, guys? What's up, team? Perfect settings right now. Sound down. Music's a tad loud. What's up, Bubba? What's up, Patrick? Yeah, and Adore. Did you do your name that on purpose? Adore Fran? Look at FRAN running this morning. But no, Thinkorswim settles me in like a day. They settle me within 24 hours usually. And so with that, I just have to look at how much equity I have. And even if I try to buy too much, they just reject the trade. Like if I drop, if I try to buy too much equity, they just reject the trade. And like they show me exactly how much I have, but alright guys, so yeah, so let's take a look at what's moving today. Look at Tesla. My boy Tesla. Man, this thing's running up crazy. This thing's at $1,200. The craziest move a stock has put in recently, a mid and high cap stock at least. I'm gonna watch this one for sure. Just to show you guys, I just wanted to show you that I kept this up, okay? Because I did trade in Power Hour yesterday, and I kept my screen up just so you guys could see. I did turn my trading around yesterday and make, this is my account yesterday. I made 205 bucks. And so I was able to kind of turn it back around and make some money yesterday trading in Power Hour, specifically WKHS. I caught the WKHS breakout just to show you guys what I traded here to get this. I caught this breakout yesterday. This thing was moving in Power Hour. I couldn't help myself. I usually don't trade Power Hour, but I was trading it right here. Like this breakout, this is what I did. I'll show you exactly what I did. I caught the 1 minute pullback, which I do have a class on that we uploaded this past weekend. I'm gonna move the previous closing price. We'll add it back. But I caught this 1 minute pullback right here. And then I just risked off of this level here. Wait, where'd it go? Oh yeah, so let me go back to this. So I caught this 1 minute pullback right here. And I just risked off of this level. And so I jumped in after really this break right here. So I got in here and wrote it up. And I posted about it in Trader Mike's Discord and my own, I think. But I did in green. You can see I left my Tefs. I never closed out my Tefs account. So you could see I did in fact in green yesterday. And yeah, see. That's where I'm at now. So we'll see what how much net that is. I traded a ton yesterday. Probably enough to where it's probably about break even. But I'll take it. I wasn't using any crazy size. Let's see what I actually am this morning. I haven't actually logged in. Let me see. Oh wait, it's already up. Yeah, so I still made a few $100 yesterday, which is solid. You know, I still made a few $100. I'm up to $8,630 in profit in this account. I'll take it. But to look into penny stocks, just to pivot real quick, to look into penny stocks, I'm gonna close these blinds. If this blind doesn't help, I'm just gonna have to close this. Does that work? Man, now it's all fuzzy. Green screens, man, they're fickle. They need lights, man. That'll work. Alright, there we go. Yeah, y'all hit the subscribe button. We do this live for free every single day on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button. Remember, I appreciate it if you do hit the subscribe button. We're also looking at JOB. And let's go ahead and look up some news here today for this. What's up, Kareem? What's up, Charles, Annette, Chris, Kyle? What's up, dude? What's up, Taco? It's not about donating more, it's about who's been a member longer. It's about who's been a member longer. I don't know how it works. One of them has been a member longer. I don't know who it is, but one of them has been a member longer. Wink, wink. Everybody go become a member, you know? Support our free content. But yeah, there's another one. Like I said yesterday, I knew I was going to trade... I knew I was going to trade WKHS yesterday and the day before. Today, I think one I'm definitely going to trade is NIO. Look at NIO today, guys. This one is tradable. It's under $10. It's at $9.20. I'm probably going to trade this one today. It's a large float. I think this one's got like $500 million. in the float. And so, but I'm still gonna trade it, I think. We'll see though. What's up, Kyle? Y'all wanna see a high volume scalper? Y'all go check out Kyle, man. Let me see if he got his page even up. Kyle, is that the right channel, bro? No? No. 18th century beginner trading stream, yeah. Yeah, that's right. I got my Star Wars shirt on, you know. Don't judge me. But yeah. Alright. So, NIO popping off here. Let's start looking up some news. I'm going to look at some penny stocks. We'll see if we buy any today this morning in pre-market. I might buy some. I'm looking at JOB here. JOB specifically. We get some breakouts. I think I'm going to wait for some momentum in pre-market this morning. I think I'm going to wait for some momentum. So, JOB is up. It's gapping up from 51.5 cents basically to $1.63. They put out a release that said that GEE Group, which is JOB, they announced that they successfully completed and closed the recapitalization and financial restructuring 2 days ago on June 1st, or on June 30th. When they did that, it strengthened their balance sheet, basically. And they did that through the elimination of approximately $47 million in subordinated debt and mezzanine preferred stock financing. And this is all quoting now from BZ Newswires. It says, quote, I'm gonna just read this. It's just gonna be easier. So this is from BZ Newswires. It's the source, and it says, quote, GEE Group, which is JOB, today announced that they successfully completed and closed a recapitalization and financial restructuring on June 30th that significantly strengthened their balance sheet through the elimination of approximately $47 million in subordinated debt and mezzanine preferred stock financing, while adding approximately over $40 million pre-tax to GEE Group's stockholder equity. And so 47.4 million is what they eliminated in debt, basically. So they eliminated some debt. They also put out, let me see what else we got. Alright, so yeah, they basically eliminated $47 million in debt and mezzanine financing. And that's an unnecessary word, isn't it? Mezzanine? The hell does that mean? Who knows? We'll never know. But yeah, this thing's gapping up. We'll see what happens. Gapping up, it's at 300%, or it's up 300% right now in pre-market. So a huge move. We'll watch this one. Maybe trade some momentum if we get it. Oh, dang, Kyle. Alright. So yeah, that's the JOB news release here. We also have Fran, everybody's friendly stock today. This thing's gapping up from 347 to 693. Yeah, 347 to 694 here, basically $7. This is Francesca. Is it Francesca or is it Francesca? I'm guessing it's Francesca Holdings. They are partnering with POQ to develop mobile applications. All right, so this is from PR Newswire, and it says, quote, Fran and POK today announced a partnership to develop Francesca's first mobile application, and as part of the company's effort to meet the customer wherever, whenever, and however she chooses to shop, Francesca's plan to launch a new iOS app this summer and a new Android app later this year, in time for Black Friday and the holiday season. Recognizing that mobile is increasingly becoming her preferred way to shop, this application will be designed to enhance the customer experience when she engages with Francesca's on her smartphone. The new digital format will provide an elevated design, improved navigation, and increased ease of use. And so yeah, they're developing a mobile application for FRAN. We'll see what happens here. Fun fact, I am developing a beginner trading app that has all of our courses, all of our free classes, all of our free content, and then some other cool stuff like a back tester. I am developing an app. It's a little bit tricky because here's the thing though, guys. Like, as a programmer, what you want to understand about development is that, as the news article there even said, right? iOS and Android are two different languages, right? iOS is Java, right? iOS is Java. Android is Java. Sorry, Android is Java. And iOS is Swift right now, actually. So it's actually two different languages. To be honest, I don't really know Swift, but I think iOS is probably the more important niche to target if I'm creating an app. And so I've been kind of learning it as time goes on. But yeah, I am creating an app using a little bit of Python as well in the back end to create like a back tester and stuff. But that'll be coming not anytime soon. But yeah, so that's the news for FRAN. We'll see what happens here. We also have VERO. VERO, this one's gapping up from 319 to 440 here. Pretty big move. Alright, so the Venus concept gets the FDA clearance. So this is FDA clearance for VERO, it looks like. FDA clearance. Alright, so yeah, they put out a release that said they received the 510K clearance from the US FDA to market and sell the Venus Viva MD, which is a non-invasive device for aesthetic-related physicians and dermatologists. So FDA clearance for VERO. We'll see what happens here. We also have other ones that are right around the whole dollar, which I've liked these a little bit more. We need some more volume though for STAF, but we have STAF gapping up from 75 cents to 105. We'll see. We'll look up the news for STAF here as well. I don't see any news here, so this one's just popping off with no news. It could be the sector. We also have blank charging stations, which is an electric charging station. I doubt this one has anything new. Yeah, it doesn't have anything new. It's just the sector as a whole. You know, you can see like Tesla popping off, Workhorse. The electric vehicle companies have just been making massive moves. Like I said, you can look at Tesla. You can look at WKHS here. And we're just getting a lot of moves in the electric field. So we'll see what happens here, but it's a fun time for sure. The 2.0, I have no idea what you're saying, brother. I don't speak Russian, man. Sorry, dude. Yeah, I don't know. I've never, really what I'm learning, kind of a way around this to create is I do know React, and I'm slowly learning React Native, and so like you probably could use React Native on both of these. The problem I'm wondering and what I'm a little bit nervous about is the back-end work for React Native, but I do know React, and so the transition, as long as I learn the different nuances of React Native, it should transition a little bit easier, I think, but who knows. Alright guys, but yeah, WKHS popping off here. What else we got? Like I said, another one I'm looking at is NIO team. NIO, this one's gapping up from 790s to 914. Alright, so NIO June deliveries are up 179% for June deliveries, and they also put out second quarter results that were way better than expected and that were way better than their guidance originally. And so yeah, they put out 3,740 vehicles in June for deliveries, and the second quarter sales nearly tripled here. So this is one I'm certainly going to trade today, either long or short. Again, NIO making big moves. I'm certainly going to trade this one today. We'll see what happens though, but I am watching this one certainly. And then what else we got, team? Like I said, let me know anything else you got on your list today. Hey, what's up, Seven? What's up, man? Yeah, you know, we got NIO, we got what else? Tesla. Look at Tesla. Alright, so Tesla deliveries are down in the second quarter amid shutdown, but they produced more than 82,000 vehicles in the second quarter, and they said production levels are back to normal. So that's the news for Tesla. They put out 82,000 vehicles in the second quarter. They said production levels are back to the prior levels before the pandemic here. So Tesla gapping up pretty significantly. I mean, it was already pretty high though, to be honest. Yeah, that's probably true. Hey. Hey, shout out to my man Nick. Nick said, my man, thank you for calling out WKHS at the perfect moment yesterday on the dip. I'm up massively and really appreciate you. I've been learning stock trading with you and the team. Hey, thank you, brother. Appreciate that, Nick. Thank you, dude. Shout out to Nick, man. I appreciate the $10 donation, brother. Seriously, man. Thank you, bro. Appreciate the support, man. Really do. Thank you. Yeah, for sure. I mean, like I said, I know Mitch left the channel, but I gotta give Mitch the credit here because Mitch has been talking about WKHS for a long time. So I gotta give my man Mitch the credit. But I appreciate it. I mean, I know I brought it up yesterday, and I told you I was gonna trade it yesterday. But Mitch has been bullish on WKHS for months now. But with all that said, I appreciate the support. Thank you, bro. Thank you, man. But yeah, Tesla gapping up big here. Yeah, 100%, Paul. Yeah. Here's the thing, though. This is what happens, and this is the best thing I can teach you as a trader, right? This is really what happens, okay? When you lose, sometimes when you lose, you just freeze, right? Sometimes when you lose, you just freeze up. It happens. It happens to everybody. The best thing you can do is try to condition yourself not to do that. The best thing you can do is kind of repeat that over and over again so that you exit when you need to. Because like you can kind of get stuck with like a deer in the headlights type of look, right? Where you're long in a position and you just kind of watch it continue to go down. And you're just kind of like, I'm just gonna wait and see what happens. And like that's the worst thing you can do. When you're losing, if it goes past your levels, you need to just get out every single time. You need to condition yourself to just exit. Because if not, that's going to happen. You're just going to kind of freeze up and you're just going to kind of watch it go against you, right? Unless you stop yourself, it's going to turn into a big loss. And so one thing you can do to massively benefit your trading is just repeat it over and over again. Condition yourself over and over and over again. Repeat, repetition. You know, like Pavlov and the dog, right? You just do it over and over and over and over again. And that way, when it happens, you just get out. You know, you get out. You don't even think about it. It's not the end of the world. You just move on with your day, right? That's what you really got to learn to do. And if you can learn to do that, you're going to have an edge up on most traders because most traders freeze every now and then. And you'll still probably do it. But if you can get better at that, I think that's one of the single biggest things that will help a new trader. Because then at that point, if you get out when you're supposed to, you're just going by your accuracy and your risk and reward, right? And you're not taking these huge drawdowns every now and then that are going to basically destroy your account, right? That's one of the biggest reasons new traders fail, honestly, is they have these huge drawdowns in their account. They might be accurate, they might be consistently profitable and making money and green, and then they just freeze, right, in one or two trades, and they have these huge drawdowns that just hurt their P&L, hurt their consistency. And so that's my advice. But yeah, Tesla ripping up here. Tesla is up after strong second quarter deliveries is the reason Tesla's up. So we'll see what happens there. We also have STAF here. STAF popping off over $1. We'll see why this one's moving. This is Staffing Solutions, STAF, Staffing Solutions. Hey, nice, Nick. Hey, what's up, Yovan? What's up, DJ? Why did he leave? So it was his decision. I think Mitch is trying to get an analyst job. Like, listen, like, I love Mitch like a brother, man. That's like my friend. Him and I still play Xbox. We still, we bet on sports. We talk MMA. We do all that good stuff. So It's all love, man. I'm not, it was his decision. It's not like I kicked him out or anything. It was his decision. Mitch owned 25% of the channel, and I just don't think that 25% is enough for him to be comfortable on. You know what I mean? Not right now, at least. And so, yeah, it is what it is. I was fair to him. I gave him a nice chunk of money, and he was fair to me. And so, it is what it is, Like I said, I'm sure he'll do some guest appearances. He was supposed to come on yesterday, but we'll figure it out. We'll schedule it and see when he's going to come back. But yes, STAF is up. Let me look at the catalyst behind this. So this is first quarter results that came out, it looks like, for Staffing 360 Solutions, which is STAF. And this one's gapping up from 75 cents to 105. Yeah, for sure, Tracy. It happens a lot, man. It really does. Like, people don't realize, like I said, a lot of the time traders are actually profitable. Like, you could be consistent, but if you mess around and you F around and you kind of let one loss simmer a little bit too long, it destroys your consistency. It puts these big drawdowns in your P&L. And the best thing you can do is just learn to get out. If you're frozen, exit the trade, right? Condition yourself however you need to, but if you can do that, you're going to have a leg up on most people. Hey, I appreciate the sub, Kamal. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that, man. But yeah, STAF is ripping up. Like I said, let me know any other specific things you want me to take a look at. I don't think Mitch said he's not going to be making videos for a while. I think like I said, I think he's trying to get an actual job. I know he's still going to day trade some and trade stock some, but I think he's going to step away from content creation for a little bit, is what he said. But yeah, IO gapping up here, which is Ion, gapping up from 220s to 285. Hey, I appreciate the sub. I mean, stocks go parabolic for a number of different reasons, George. The big thing you want to look for is the parabolic curve, which just means the stock is going up faster. Like, it's going higher and higher as time progresses, right? That's parabolic. That's what parabolic means in stock trading. But if you're looking for a parabolic stock, you just want to see a stock that's getting higher and higher as time goes on, right? You don't want to see a stock going lower and lower, kind of evening out. That means volume's going down. If you're looking for a parabolic move, you want to see a stock getting higher and higher as it goes up. And stocks go parabolic for a number of different reasons. A lot of the time they're low float, and so they have a low float. They don't have that many shares available. They have float rotations that pump it up big time. Sometimes they have insiders that are pumping it up. Sometimes hype just gets behind stocks and that pumps it up and just squeezes the stock up in a parabolic way. But there's a lot of different reasons why it happens, to be honest. It's not just like one reason specifically. There's a number of different reasons it happens. We also have KTOV gapping up here from 90 cents all the way to 108. Yeah, KTOV ripping up right now, guys. I see a lot of people talking about this here. KTOV absolutely making some moves here. Alright, so KTOV, which is Kito Pharma, issued a CEO letter to shareholders. Alright, so they basically put out something that said, quote, "We believe we have successfully completed our evolution to an oncology-focused biotechnology company." Nailed it. And wanted to provide our shareholders and other stakeholders with an update on our business and strategic plan. They put out a bunch of stuff. Let me see if I can figure out any. They see milestones and royalty sales of 2020 through 2022 for 28 to 36 million. So crazy. Yeah, KTOV, they put out a letter to their shareholders basically, and they're ripping up. KTOV, I've had mixed results the last few days with it. I've had somewhat mixed results, some good, some bad results for KTOV, but nothing too crazy. We also have IDXG popping off here. Not really popping off, I guess I should say, but it's gapping up from 440s to 520. We can look at the catalyst here, then we can look at the overall market news. Yeah, Tesla workhorse. Yes, yes, sir. Stocks, 100%. 100%. I don't see any news for IDXG really, but yeah, Tesla. Here's the big movers today. Tesla, we got Workhorse, we got NIO, all electric vehicle companies. So these are all electric vehicle companies. Then we even have BLNK. Another one that I might be trading today, guys, is SHLL. SHLL. I'm looking at those. Silver's gonna go parabolic someday. Yeah, we'll see, Paul. I don't know, man. I'm not necessarily against it. I think it depends. Yeah, so SHLL popping off here. Yeah, for sure. Oh yeah, PLUG is another one. Sorry, I missed that one today. But PLUG, Plug Power. Gapping up from 880s to 975. Let me see if I can. I think this one's just up on the sector. Alright, because this is a hydrogen fuel cell company. Basically, they're going to make batteries. And so with all the electric vehicles and stuff up, the battery companies are profiting too from like PLUG. No, I don't have any, Paul. Yeah, so I don't see any actual like new catalyst for PLUG, but again, they deal with batteries, and so with Workhorse, with Tesla, with NIO, all up, like these are all electric vehicle companies. Like I said, NIO, Workhorse, which is electric trucks, and then Tesla, obviously, which is electric vehicles. All three of these are up, and so that's what we're watching, electric vehicles today. We also have a few of the gappers yesterday that were up too. We have Party, PRTY. What else we got? PRTY, Party City, gapping up a little bit. We got a BYFC, which was a gapper yesterday. This one ended up rebounding, I guess. A little choppy there at the open, but BYFC's running. We're gonna look to trade this morning. TTMI, BRQS. What else we got, guys? Like I said, let me know anything specific you want me to take a look at. This is the market right now. So the market is actually up very, very strong right now. So very, very strong market. Fran. Yeah, we can look at Fran again. Hold on, let me go over the market news real quick. Well, we can look at Fran really quickly here again. This is Francesca. And I believe they put out a release that's saying that they're going to develop a mobile application for FRNA. So I think the big level here is 750. You know, you got the pre-market high at 745, but I think 750 is a $0.50 right above that, and so I think that's what we really got to look for is 750 for FRAN. If I was looking at it for a resistance or a support level, I would look at 750 specifically here. To bring up the previous close, like I can add the previous closing price right here. But let me get rid of this. But yeah, there we go. So we're popping off here. I think 750 is the interesting spot. $6 maybe as well. But we're popping off here. We also have JOB, like I said, which is, you know, I don't hate this one. If we dip down, I don't mind using this 122 level as a risk. You know, if we do dip down here, maybe buying it on the dip and looking at this 120 level as a risk point. I don't hate that. Alright, we also had I mean, with SHLL, I believe, let me see what kind of sector SHLL is. I'm guessing it's related to the electric vehicle sector. This is Tortoise Acquisition Corporation, which is SHLL, which is an EV truck company. Okay, so this is a... Wait. This is Hyliion, Hyliion, which is an electric power heavy duty truck company. So yeah, it's an electric sector, like I thought. LCA. LCA. Yeah, LCA is popping off. This one ran a few days ago. mRNA, yeah, I mean, I know that's a COVID stock. So yeah, Special Purpose Acquisition Company acquired Golden Nugget Online Gaming. So this is the Fertitta, one of the Fertitta brothers, I think, made that donation. Hey, I appreciate that, Paul. Hey, thank you, Paul. Shout out to my man Paul with the $3 dono. Thank you, brother. Hey, thank you, Paul. Yeah, I go long sometimes. Hey, but thank you, Paul. Shout out to Paul with that $3 super chat. Thank you, brother. Thank you, man. But yeah, LCA is up. I don't see any recent news for it, though. Like I said, today I'm watching a few different stocks, specifically NIO. Now, it's a little extended. If we dip down to $9, I might look for a dip buy, maybe a risk of $8.87 here. I don't hate that. Like if it dips down to $9, risking off of $8.87 and then using this $9.43 level as a reward target with a good risk-reward ratio doesn't look terrible there. But I'm still kind of waiting and seeing there for INO. But hey, I appreciate that, Paul. But yeah, I go long, Andre, for sure. Yeah, I go long, certainly. Yeah, I'm going to put a few other scanners up so it's a little bit easier here, guys. I have some better scanners here that we can use. There we go. A little bit of momentum scanners coming in here so you guys can see those too. But yeah, KTOV is another one. Like I'm going to look at it over the whole dollar here, but it's been battling this nonstop. Like it'll battle the whole dollar. Last few times it's failed, so I'm just not going to mess with this one right now, I don't think. Alright, but yeah, so I'm looking at NIO for sure, Workhorse as well, and then I'm looking at JOB. Like if I'm going to momentum trade this, let me see, I could, what do you guys think? I have enough equity. I saved some equity for today so I could really start to take some swings because I don't really like swinging on Fridays. But I don't mind dip buying it right here at 43, looking for it to move up to like 170s. I think I'm going to wait though and try to trade at the open specifically though. I think that's really what I'm going to try to do is wait for the opening bell to take some swings. What do you guys think? Nah, I haven't bought any FRA in yet. I'm still watching it for sure. Hey, I appreciate that, Paul. Hey, thank you, brother. Yeah, Marcus, what's up, dude? Yeah, no, I haven't bought any yet. I'm looking at JOB. I'm going to buy 100 shares just to have some fun with it. Alright, so I'm in with 100 shares of JOB. Wish me luck, guys. It's kind of a big range. I just bought a little bit. Like I said, this isn't a huge account, but I don't hate this one. I like the risk level. We're putting in a high or low here, so it kind of looks strong. I could have probably bought a little bit more, but I think, again, I'm saving most of my equity towards the opening bell is really what I want to do here. So I'm going to buy this one, see if we get a run up towards the bell, see if we get a move up to like 75. I can make a nice little 25 bucks and be done. Job at the VWAP. Alright, so hey, this is not bad so far, guys. I'm not hating this. Yeah, I'm riding this one with 100 shares. We're getting a nice little squeeze. I might get out of job here. I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm gonna sell some here. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna get out. Boom. I like the little trade. Nice little $12. Easy trade so far. I'm gonna save most of my equity today, but that's gonna put me up a little bit early. All right, team. Let's do this. WKHS is running up, so I made my money on JOB. We're gonna look for other stuff. Like I said, I got plenty of equity to trade penny stocks today. Yeah, WKHS, the big level is 2150, so it could either get rejected there, it could run up and break out there. If it does break over 2150, I want to see it hold that level specifically as support. Like, that's really what I want to see it as, but who knows? We'll see what happens. But yeah, workhorse, I'm watching specifically that 2150 level. That's really what I gotta pay attention to. Ah, man, maybe I got out of JOB too early, guys. I made a little bit of money on JOB. I caught the dip like I wanted, and we ran up really nicely. Like, just to put it into perspective, I caught this dip right here. I got in at 143, and we ran up nicely. I wanted 175, but hey, I got my money. I think it's tough, man. This is what y'all, let me know what you guys think. I'm going to tell you guys my dilemma here, my conundrum here. Is that part of me thinks I should be more patient. Right? But when I am more patient and say I scale out of half of my position, a lot of the time the stock just ends up coming right back down and it basically ruins the gain I had on the trade. And the other part of me thinks I should just, with that in mind, I should just do it one and done like I just did. But sometimes when I do it one and done, it ends up running up past that. And so right now I think I'm in that stage where I don't know whether I should sell all of it at once or if I should scale out of it. You know, I think one thing I should probably do is actually scale into the position maybe. So I should take a very small position and slowly scale into it. And I think that's something I haven't been doing much. I think that's something I'll probably work on here. And if we dip down to 150, I might buy it here. NIO on the rise. Hey, let's check it out. Yeah, NIO 943 is the level here. 943 is the level. We break that. That's what looks good. If we can break 943, and that's what I'm definitely going to trade this one today. At least some point in time. I don't know for how long, but I'm certainly going to trade at least at some point today. Hey, remember guys, y'all hit that subscribe button. I will be dropping a video today on some back testing results. So I've been working on the video today, but I will be dropping it this afternoon. And so if you want to see that, remember to hit the subscribe button. If you guys don't know me, I'm a tester. I like to test and back test stocks. That's what I do. Back test strategies specifically. And you know, in this video, we back tested a very popular strategy to see its viability over a few months. And it's a cool video. Like I said, if you want to be sure to check that out, hit that subscribe button, click the bell, turn on notifications. We go live every single day right here on YouTube. We've got about 22 minutes until the opening bell. So let's do this, guys. Yeah, maybe so, David. Whose birthday is it? It ain't my birthday. Yes, sir. Yeah, like I said, I'm in between that point where it's like, should I scale out more? Should I hold? Should I take it one and done? I think in pre-market, one thing I really got to do is just, in pre-market more than anything, I should be scaling out. And the reason my logic is that I should do that in pre-market is because a lot of the time stocks are going to run up towards the opening bell. So you can dip buy them prior to that and they'll run up before the opening bell. Right? And with that, you'll get a nice chance if you can still hold on to a piece while taking partial and protecting yourself. I think at the open and like the momentum after the bell, it's a little bit more swingy. And so with that, I think I need to keep that one and done a little bit more often, if that makes sense. And I think that logic is sound. I'm going to go ahead and look up the overall market news. The market's been making some big moves today. I use a bunch of different ones, Brandon. I use like Thinkorswim, I use Webull, I use Tefs, some Robinhood. Yeah, for sure. KTOV bouncing. Yeah, I mean, see, KTOV's, I don't like it. And part of this is just how it was before. Like, I've traded this one the last few days, and it has not done me right. KTOV, I think I've made some money on it in a few trades, but I've also lost some money. It doesn't move like I like it. It just doesn't mesh well with me, I think, KTOV specifically. But yeah, let's take a look at the market news right now, guys. We do have the market news coming out. Let's take a look. Hey, I appreciate the sub, Petrol. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Yeah, Tesla's going crazy, man. Absolutely crazy. Hey, I appreciate it, Nancy. I'll try, you know. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and read some of these. We do have some claims numbers that came out today, jobless claims numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and go over these. So first, we have California daily coronavirus cases for June 30th are up 4.37% from previous day to 232,657. Deaths are up 1.8% from the previous day as well in California. All right, so here's the thing though. We have USA non-farm payrolls for June at 4.8 million versus the 3 million expected prior of 2.509 million. We have USA private payrolls for June at 4.767 million versus the 2.9 million expected prior of 19.52 million. We have USA unemployment rate for June at 11% versus the 12.3% expected. And so all of these numbers are actually way better than they originally expected. We have the USA initial jobless claims for June coming in at 1.427 million versus the 1.355 million expected. And this is actually for June 26th with a prior of 1.48 million. So a little bit worse than expected there. But we had USA continuing claims for June 19th at 19.29 million versus the 19 million expected. So right around what they expected there, but a little bit worse, I guess. But overall, good good payroll numbers that came out. So the numbers were actually better than they expected for a majority of them. Now we'll see what happens here. That is causing some bullishness in the overall market, and I can go over the market news as well. You can see the market itself is gapping up from 310.50s all the way to 314.30s here. And I'm going to go ahead and quote this, and this is from MT Newswires, and it says, quote, "Stock futures were higher ahead of the opening bell with Wall Street bracing for a slew of economic data starting at 8:30 Eastern, which has already come out about 45 minutes ago, which was the non-farm payroll numbers that I actually just went over. Data on international trade for the month of May is going to be out around that time. That must have come out already. At 10 a.m. Eastern, factory orders for May are projected to show a month-on-month increase of 8.7% versus the previous month's decline of 13%. And at 4:30 Eastern, the Fed's balance sheet and the weekly change for money supply will both be released. So what you want to understand about this, guys, is that there is going to be a major market catalyst right now at 10 a.m., which is 30 minutes after the bell. So 30 minutes after the bell, the factory orders for May is going to come out, and they are projected to show an increase of 8.7% versus the decline of around 13% last time. But these are going to come out 30 minutes after the bell. So what that tells you here, team, and you want to listen here, is that if you're holding a mid and high cap stock 30 minutes after the bell, you want to make sure you pay attention to this, because if not, you could get caught in a big market move that you weren't necessarily expecting. And so again, these numbers are coming out at 10 a.m. Eastern, which is 30 minutes after the bell. Be on the lookout for these. Be prepared for these, guys, if you're trading mid and high cap stocks. This is something that I'm going to have to remember. And if I start to forget about it and I'm holding a position, please let me know in the chat, because I don't think I'll forget, but I might. Worse things, crazier things have happened. I'll say that. And as I'm talking here, we do have a few other ones that are popping off today. Again, Tesla making massive rips here. Good delivery numbers that came out for Tesla. Good delivery numbers. This thing is gapping up from about 1,100 all the way to over 1,200. So it's gapping up about $100, a little bit over $100 here. Or yeah, a little bit over $100, which is crazy, guys. WKHS dip, yeah, we'll see. I'm not shorting Tesla, man. The squeeze ups are too crazy here. We also have a few other ones like IO. Like I said, if I'm looking to trade today, guys, I'm going to be looking at Workhorse. Even if it goes up or down, I shorted it a little bit yesterday. But again, I did make some money yesterday. Whoa, look at Workhorse getting hammered here. Workhorse getting hammered here, guys. Dropping down to $20. But yeah, this is what I caught yesterday in Workhorse, just to show you guys. I'm going to bring a 1 minute chart up. I caught the 1 minute pullback, and I did put a nice class on the 1 minute pullback out on Sunday. A completely free class, and this is the pullback I caught right here. So you see the nice little 1 minute pullback, exactly what I talked about in this weekend's video here, right there. I'm going to remove this. But yeah, I caught this 1 minute pullback here, and I rode the breakout. I ended up yesterday up a few $100. Hey, what's up, Sean? Hey, no stress, brother. Hey, another thing you guys should go check out is go check out my man Trader Mike's Discord. Trader Mike has got the most active penny stock Discord I've ever been in. And like I said, a really active Discord. A lot of people show up. Probably the most active penny stock Discord I've been to. Really fun Discord to be in. A lot of talented traders there. And so if you want to join that Discord, and like I said, you'll see me hanging out in this Discord a lot. You'll see a lot of other really good traders hanging out there a lot. Go join Trader Mike's Discord. Here's the link in the chat. Yeah, I'm not saying WKHS is going to fail. I'm just saying it's dipping down. You know, it's just dropping. That's all I'm saying. I'm just going by off the market news. But yeah, we'll see what happens. We're also looking at G and US here. G and US. G and US is ripping up here, guys. Look at this. It's up from 230s all the way to, 230s all the way to 260s here. So big moves. Let's look at G and US and see the news here. Alright, so Genius Brands Chairman and CEO Andy Hayward is to host a conference to discuss key business development. And that's going to be at 10 a.m. Monday, July 6th. So that's the news for G and US. A little bit fluffy, but hey, you know, we'll see what happens. We also got JOB here. It looks like JOB might be holding over 150, and I think if I'm looking to trade it, that's what I want to see. I want to see JOB hold over 150 here. Thank you, Nancy. Yeah, like I said, y'all want to check out that video too. I'll post that video a little bit later. But I got a really dope video dropping this afternoon. It's going to be a fun video. Like I said, it's on some back testing results that I went over. And so, yeah, y'all be on the lookout for that. But it's going to be dropping today. And remember guys, we got 300 people in here. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Hit the subscribe button. We do this live for free every single day on YouTube. We are not experts, we're not gurus. We just teach people what works specifically for us. So if you appreciate free day trading content like that, smash the subscribe button, click the like button. We're gonna be day trading momentum style at the open. We're gonna be trading on Taps, Webull, Thinkorswim, all these different platforms. I'm gonna be trading, like I said, if you wanna know the stocks that I'm certainly gonna be trading today, maybe JOB. It depends on if it sets up at the bell. Maybe FRAN, Francesca. It depends on if it sets up at the bell. Like I said, 750 breakout here. It did happen for FRAN. And we'll see what happens now, guys. It's pretty extended. We'll see if it holds over 8 for FRAN. It is ripping up here. But again, NIO is one of the ones I'm almost certainly going to trade today. NIO, if it dips down to $9, I might buy it. Using a risk of 880s, it has to be bullish at least a little bit at the open. So I need to wait for some bullish moves at the open for this one before I really start to attack it. But yeah, I'm watching NIO. I might even trade the Dragon Tesla. You know, I might even trade it. Let me know in the chat if you think I should trade the Dragon. We'll see. But like I said, guys, market's up pretty big today after those good payroll numbers that came out. Yeah, I mean, NIO, we'll see what happens. What's up, James? Trump at 9:30. He's stalking at 9:30 today? Oh, no. Gotta be careful here. SPY's pushing up, though, guys. Like I said, I'm watching specifically JOB. I've already made a little bit of money on JOB today. I've traded a little bit in pre-market. I'm also going to watch SHLL. Mitch is talking about WATT. Watt, WATT is what Mitch is talking about, which doesn't look terrible. It's kind of posed for a breakout here. We got IDXG. ZOM here. What is ZOM, man? This thing got hammered. STAF looks alright. FRAN. But yeah, Workhorse pulling back a little bit. You can see this range here from 1950 up to 20. So we'll see what happens here, but I might trade this one. It depends. I don't hate both directions. I don't mind the long side or the short side. What's up next round? Yeah, I don't know, man. Trump tweeted. Let's see. Let's see what Trump tweeted here, guys. Alright, so Trump is... Okay, so here's the thing, guys. This is what makes me initially have some bullish optimism. Shout out to DJ for dropping this on me. So yeah, Trump did tweet that they have a news conference at 9:30. Great job numbers. And so what does this tell us, guys? This tells us that it's going to be a pump up news conference. I'm sure you'll probably see the market rip once the news conference is out. So this also says that you got to be careful here, team, because whenever these press releases and these conferences happen, it can be very volatile time. Okay, but yeah, we have a press conference. Trump put out something that said they got a news conference to talk about the job numbers. That's coming out at 9:30, which is in 8 minutes, which is right at the opening bell. So we'll see what happens, guys. Let's do this. PFE, I got you chatting. Let me take a look. But yeah, that is what I would expect at the open. I think he's just going to pump the market up a little bit. And so there might be some good momentum plays. There might be some pairs trades with that news. I've done it before. Look at GRAF here, guys. GRAF ripping up. Ripping up here. Small float for GRAF. KTOV still struggling over $1, it looks like, kind of consolidating back and forth. We got JOB, which is right around the $0.50 here. It's putting in higher lows, and we are getting a little bit of a small triangle pattern here. Look at this. So look at the triangle pattern here at JOB. Not a wedge, but we do have some type of little triangle there. We'll see what happens. We're squeezing the support and resistance closer and closer together around the $0.5 until it breaks in either direction. So be on the lookout for that, guys. But we are getting some squeezes here for JOB. Like I said, we are getting some consolidation there. I'd watch that. FRAN making some moves here. Over $8, held support there, and we broke over the whole $1.08, and we actually held that level as support. I think $8 is the most interesting close-up level. Yeah, look, there's the rip. So we are getting some moves for FRAN, big moves, putting in higher lows consistently here. So a lot of big moves for FRAN. We got BLNK and the entire electric vehicle posse here. So we got BLNK, we got NIO, we've got Tesla, TSLA. We've got a lot of moves here, so we're gonna have a lot of fun today. Airlines taking off. Yeah, I mean they're taking off kind of. I mean, here's the thing. They're down still from yesterday, or at least United Airlines is. United Airlines is down still. It's technically up. Down, it's not down, but it had a huge drop yesterday that basically filled the gap, and yes, it's still up in the last few days. MGM is up, so they've been ripping up lately too. Like I said, I'm going to watch G and US here too. But let's do this, team. Yeah, it's the same time the market opens, precise. The same exact time, man. Right, 100% DJ. Like I said, I would watch out. I'm sure he's going to pump it up a little bit. That's what I'm saying. Like, who knows? You never really know what he's going to say. But I think he's probably going to pump it up a tad bit. You know, well, who knows? We'll have to wait and see. But that's what he does, man. He pumps the market up. You know, that's what he does. I mean, that's what most presidents do. You know, but we'll see. You know, it's an interesting dynamic to watch certainly here. Again, I'm going to be trading. Almost certainly going to be trading NIO, either up or down, gapping up really nicely. I might trade WKHS today. It's back above $20, short term. But at the opening bell, we're going to be looking for some short-term momentum with like maybe JOB, STAF, FRAN. And so we're going to look for some short-term momentum this morning, and then we're going to move on to the mid and high cap stocks after that. I might even trade Tesla a little bit later. But like I said, at the opening bell for sure, I'm going to be trading some of these pennies with KTOB maybe, with G and US, making some big moves, with BLNK, making some big moves. So let me know what your favorite stock is today. Hey, no stress, James. Alright guys, we got 3 minutes until the opening bell. 3 minutes. Like I said, hit that subscribe button. We do this live for free every single day right here on YouTube. We are not experts. We are not gurus. We just teach people what works specifically for us. Opening bell is in 3 minutes, and so if you want to do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, guys. Like I said, I'm going to be dropping a fire video today on some back testing results for some pretty popular strategies. I'm looking at the actual statistics with some of these strategies, and so you can see whether they actually work and what sectors and stocks and so forth they actually work on. And so if you want to see that, hit the subscribe button. BLNK ripping up here. Opening bell's about to happen, guys, so let's do this. PFE. My favorite one right now is honestly JOB. It's kind of hedging closer and closer. Pfizer, pharmaceutical company. Yeah, this one's not bad. We'll see it over some of these whole or half dollars at the open. JOB though, look at this symmetrical triangle forming here on the 5-minute chart. Now I'm not saying I don't know which direction it's gonna head. But like, look at this. Look how perfect that is. It's pretty nice. So we'll see if it breaks out now. Over 167s, 168s is what looks the most interesting to me here. Yeah, I'm looking at POLA as well, Tiny. I still have that one on my list from yesterday too. So I am looking at POLA. I'm looking at IO2. CEMI as well. We got a few other, a bunch of them. VERO. I'm looking at a few different ones. Workhorse, BLNK, you know, we got a lot of different ones that I'm watching here for sure. Alright guys, we gotta, the market's about to open, so we're gonna get everything ready here. I'm gonna get the momentum scanners up, guys, and we can try to make some money today. So let's get the momentum scanners up. And if you have any specific scanners you would like me to see, let me know. I can build them today too if you really want to see them too. Alright guys, let's do this. Remember guys, hit that subscribe button before the bell. Let's make some money today, team. Alright guys, let's do this. Here's the bell. Good luck. Alright, there's the bell, guys. Let's make some money today, team. Good luck. Good luck. Alright, there's the bell. Get rid of this triangle here so it's a little bit clearer. BLNK dropping. I'm looking at JOB. If we get a drop in JOB and then a rip up over highs, I'm gonna take that long. NIO dropping down a little bit at 905, popped back up a big downwick here. Alright, so this gives me a little bit of a breakout over 150 up to 160 is what I'm gonna see here for JOB. So we got some room. TTOO's pushing up a little bit here. We got TTOO pushing up a little bit. NIO. Nothing too crazy yet. We got Workhorse, Blink, SHLL, and JOB both down at the open. I'm going to get my other platform up just in case we do have some of that momentum from the conference that's supposed to be at 9:30. Alright, so here we go. I got filled way too late here, but it's okay. Way too late of a fill. That was the move. Just didn't catch it. I should have marketed in, but it's alright. Nice. Alright, I sold half there. Holding 100 shares left. Beautiful move for JOB. Come on, man. Alright, I'm still holding 50 shares or 100 shares. And come on. Are we halted? Are we halted? We're halted. Are we halted? I'm halted, guys. I'm in JOB halted on the way up. Not really loving this, but I'm holding 100 shares here of JOB halted on the way up. We are halted at JOB, guys. I'm holding 100 shares. I've already scaled out of most of the position here. But we are halted in JOB. Interesting here. Halted in JOB, guys. Let's see when it was halted. We were halted at 8:32. So this is going to resume at 8:37 or at 9:37 market time. So we are halted in JOB. Like I said, we'll probably get the resumption at 9:37. Yeah, we're halted at 9:32. We're probably going to get the resumption at 9:37. I'm going to pivot over to trading NIO here and see if we get some breakouts. But man, we are halted right now, guys, in JOB. Help me not to forget about that, but man, we are halted right now in JOB. Crazy. Been a while since I've been in a halted stock like this. But we are halted right now in JOB. Interesting. I'm looking at NIO here. We get a rip over that whole dollar of 9 and over 9.15 or so. I'm going to be buying NIO on the long side. I'm going to be trying to scalp NIO on the top. So we're going to give it some time to see if we get that or not. Yeah, I'm hoping so. It's 2 stock. Yeah, I'm stuck in Job Netron. I'm stuck in it, man. We're holding some shares still. It's okay. Ooh, Workhorse. WKHS popping off big here, guys. Workhorse. I need a dip down. I missed the red to green move on Workhorse. I'm looking at BLNK here as well. BLNK, but I missed the move. But I am halted in JOB, guys. I'm halted in this stock. WKHS is ripping up, though. It's at 31.50, about to break pre-market highs here. I'm still looking at NIO. Gonna look to scalp the top of NIO here as well, if it can break above the VWAP. But I'm still holding a few hundred. I'm holding 100 shares of JOB. Hopefully it gaps up. Like I said, if I could see JOB gapping up to like this level here, 170s, 180s, but I'm gonna try to scale out of that one fast. I'm looking at NIO here. I'm probably gonna trade some of this one as well. Alright guys, wish me luck. Like I said, I'm waiting to see if NIO rips up and breaks highs here. I gotta keep this window up, so I'm watching NIO on this break. WKHS, if it pulls down to 21.50, I might take a little bit, but I'm looking at NIO more than WKHS right now. Like I said, I'm holding this one halted, stuck in it right now. I have to just exit this one as soon as I can. As soon as this resumes in 2 minutes, I have to get out of JOB. I do not want to get stuck in a second halt because usually those just crash down. IO is ripping up. IO, if you like penny stocks, IO ripping up. It's at 275. TTOO is dropping pretty big here, and CEMI is starting to rip up. NIO is dropping. A little nervous for this one, but yeah, wish me luck, guys. Alright, I got about a minute. So yeah, SPY is ripping up. Like I said, guys, I called this out all morning today. I told you guys exactly what was going to happen with the SPY, which is that they have a press conference going on right now. That is going to pump the stock up. Trump is talking about the good numbers that just came out, and so that's pumping the stock up. So the SPY is absolutely ripping up here. Just going crazy right now. IO is ripping up here as well. I'm waiting. I'm stuck in JOB. It's halted right now. It resumes in about 40 seconds. Somebody's asking me what a halt is. A halt is when they halt trading. It's self-explanatory. So it's when they halt trading on a stock, usually because of crazy volume. A lot of the time you'll see a low float stock like break highs and then get halted is what usually you'll see happen. All right, we got about 20 seconds into the resumption, guys. I'm going to have my hand over this sell button. But hopefully we gap up higher than this. But my hand's going to be over the sell button. I don't want to get stuck in this. I've already scaled out of most of it. But here's the resumption. It should be in about 7 minutes, guys. In about 7 minutes. And then I can kind of go back to my normal trading. Alright, here's 7 minutes. Like I said, hands over the sell button. We should get a resumption right around now. It's been 5 minutes. Halts usually last 5 to 10 minutes. Usually 5 minutes. And so that's why we should resume like right now for JOB. There's the resumption. And I got out. All right, I'm out. Whew. All right, not a bad little gain though there. Not a bad little trade. I made 30, 40 bucks on it. Maybe I could have held a little bit more, but a lot of times these will just get halted again on the way up. And I don't want to get halted on the subsequent halt. Maybe I got out a little bit too soon, but I made my money with it. I'll take it. We'll see what else we got, guys. I'm looking at VERO. Get out the way. There we go. Yeah, there's the second halt. Like I said, I did not want to get caught in the second halt. I might have missed out on some profit, but the second halt is just not what I wanted. WKHS is just ripping up here. I wish I would have seen it, man. Alright, I'm in WKHS with, like I said, 200 shares. Come on, get me out. I'm gonna sell half there. I just took half off of WKHS. I'm holding 100 shares. I'm seeing if WKHS can rip here. You guys can see this, right? Okay, yeah, good. It's battling the $0.50. Alright, I like it. Let's see if it rips. I'm trying to be patient with this here. Just 100 shares. Right, pull back. Gonna have to exit. Big squeeze. I'm going to let it work 22, and if it breaks under 22, I just got to get out. Hands over the cover button here for W. I gotta get out there. It just broke under 22. It's alright. $39 loss, very small. May have chased that one a little bit, but it's okay. Yeah, I'll take it, man. I'll take it. Yeah, I don't know. Christian sometimes, man. Yeah, it's a fun morning saga for sure. It depends, man. There's a little bit of everything, man. So sometimes it does. Sometimes it just keeps going for JOB. STAF, red to green moves have been very, very prevalent today, though. I'm still waiting for some stuff to trade here. NIO breaks lows, I might short it. Alright, NIO is about to break lows at 80s. I might short it with 500 shares. No, nothing yet. I'm also looking at VERO. If VERO breaks over 450, I might attack that too. Right, I'm in with 500 shares of NIO here. 500 shares. We're looking for 75s here for NIO. 500 shares. I'm also looking at VERO to break that 450 level. Alright, we need 75s to break here. 75s, we're at 77s. We'll let it work. There's 76. There we go. I'm going to take half off here for NIO. I'm holding 200 shares left. Got the low of the day break, but we immediately got a rebound, so hold the rest break even. Alright, I don't mind adding some more back here. Get out there. Made a little bit of money. I don't mind shorting if it gets back up to like 82s here. I'm looking for penny plays, guys. We got like I said, if you see any penny stocks making some moves, let me know. I'm looking at maybe IDXG. It needs some more volume to come in though. IDXG. Alright, NIO bouncing back up here. I'm gonna short into a little bit here. I'm back in with 500 shares. Did I get in? No. Come on. Am I in? No. There we go. Alright, I'm in with 500 shares of NIO here. Just looking for a rejection back down to 70s. There we go. I'm going to try to be patient with this. Let me know any other moves. I'm looking at maybe IO here. IO breaks over $3. I might have to attack it. IO breaks over $3. I might have to attack it. Just to show you guys here. IO's been kind of ripping up here. If it gets over 3, I'm out. Or I'm going to jump in, I mean. VERO just didn't do it. JOB is still halted here. I just took half off again here for NIO. Still holding 200 shares. Going to let that work. I'm looking at IO over $3. 74s for NIO. I'm still trying to get this low of the day break here. JOB resumed. It resumed around $2. So JOB resumed here, guys. It's around $2. NIO is still breaking down. I'm going to get out there. Alright, so I made my money back on NIO. Break even so far today. We're looking at WKHS here as well, but JOB did resume here. I still got to watch IO. See if it breaks 5. Ooh, what about JOB, guys? Over this pre-market high right here. Do I want to get in again? I kind of do. It might get halted right now again, though. I think it might. I'm debating, and it's halted, I think. It's either halted or it's really battling the pre-market high. I think it's halted, though. I'm not going to jump in here, then. Hey, I appreciate the sub, Hunter. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that. Yeah, there's the halt again. Like I said, it was either halted again or it was battling that pre-market high really, really well. Yeah, here's to show you guys. I'm looking at IO now. We're gonna see if we get a high in the day break here for IO. All right, we're working. Big pullback. You know what? I'm gonna wait. I don't like this one. Too many upwicks. Too much selling pressure here. Now IDXG on the other hand doesn't look bad. IDXG. I told you guys if we get some volume coming in, this doesn't look bad here. We just need to break these levels. Huge range though. Huge range. Alright, job broke 215 again here, team. Anybody see IO? Hey, what's up, Mitch? What's up, man? Anybody see IO lately? Look at IO. Man, I talked myself out of this one. Look at that. Beautiful move. I talked about $3. I need to take my own advice. Because, man, CEMI is the next one, though. CEMI. We get a hold over this. I'm going to have to go long here. Alright, I'm in with 250 shares of CEMI. We're looking for a rip up. Okay, there's 77s. Alright, let's get the rip up. Like I had, I'm in CEMI, which is Chem Bio. Now we want to see it hold support at the previous high. So like we want to see it hold support right here. No. Oof. Not what we wanted to see. We'll give it one more second, but I think I just got to get out of this one. Let me see if I can find a good exit here. Alright, 75s. Just to fake out so far, guys, I gotta figure out a better entry. Maybe I'm freezing up a little bit, doing exactly what I talked about earlier. All right, 71, 72s, 70s. The level 2 lag in here or something? My bid is showing. What's the bid on this thing, man? If Thinkorswim is lagging right here, I'm gonna be frustrated. Yeah, Thinkorswim. I gotta get out here. Man, frustrating. Still up on the day in penny stocks, but yeah, let's make sure that's right. All right, yeah, I'm gonna get out there. $20 loss there. Frustrated. JOB ripping up over 215. We're gonna see what happens there. The SPY is still battling, and I got some equity left. I don't know if I want to use all of it though. Alright, but yeah, that was a frustrating trade for sure. NIO might give me that breakout that I originally wanted this morning. Let me see if that'll make me feel better. The next step for Job, let me see when this thing got halted. Job got halted at 8:43. And so this thing should resume right now for JOB. Let's see what happens here. It should resume like right now. Unless it's a 10-minute halt, which is possible. But it should resume like right now. I'm also looking at IO here. I talked myself out of it the first time. I don't mind the little dip down to the VWAP. Yeah, there's the resumption. See, there goes JOB resuming here. So JOB resumed up to 230s. We're gonna look at IO here and see if we get this whole dollar dip by. Alright, I got in with 200 shares at 301. Not a bad entry. Alright, so I'm in IO. I'm looking up to 320s. A little bit higher than that if we can. I'm going to take profits fast if we get it though. But there's 304s. We just want to see a bounce at the whole dollar of 3, and we want to see this one continue to fight up. JOB is up to 240s though, guys. 240s right now for JOB. Crazy moves. I'm also looking at NIO to see if we get that high break. It's at $9 for NIO, so it's still kind of battling that. Alright, so we're still gonna battle. Alright, there's break even. Hey, good luck, Christian. Yeah, that's a crazy one. I'm looking for the NIO red to green move over like 915 is what I'm looking for here. I'm holding IO as well. Can you guys see this? Yeah, okay, good. You can let it consolidate here. We just want to see it bounce off of that previous support. That's all we wanted. See if we get the rip up here. 303s. I like it. Nice. Gonna take half off there. Gonna hold 100 shares here. See if we get a breakout over the 320s. And that's also gonna protect me now in the trade. I might even take a little bit more off here. Yeah, I'm holding 50 shares just to protect myself in the trade. And we're gonna let the rest roll here. See if we get some high of the day breaks. There's 11s, nice, 10s. Let's get the break over 315s now for IO. Like I said, beautiful little VWAP bounce there. And one thing I've realized is that penny stocks do follow the VWAP. If they have enough volume, that is. 308s. Under 305, I'm just going to bail out the rest. Watching the bid. Yeah, I got to get out. All right, I'll take it, guys. So I've had 4 penny stock trades. 3 of them were successful, and I am up about 30 bucks in penny stock land on the day. One minute pullback on JOB. Yeah, let me take a look. Yeah, beautiful little one right here. Yeah, and like I said, the stocks have to be parabolic. If they're parabolic, that's when it's the best. Alright. So now that I'm green in penny stock land, we'll see what else we can find today. I'm not necessarily done, but we'll see what else we can find today. I am making some money so far in penny stocks. CEMI making a huge rip. It looks like that one just faked me out. CEMI. If you're watching, guys, if you're looking at penny stocks, CEMI just broke over previous highs. So look at this move here. So CEMI, a massive rip. A massive rip here. I'm still waiting for NIO though. If you want me to be honest, I'm waiting for NIO here. And we want to see NIO break this high right here where it's about to right now. Alright, I'm in. Wait, that's not the previous high, is it? No, it's not. The previous high is at 913. I got in a little bit early here. It's small. It's small relative to the range of NIO, but under 9, I just got to get out of this one, I think. There we go. It's a little bit better. I don't mind adding to this one as it breaks 913. If we can get that break, I'll be happy with it. I'm in with 600 shares. There we go. I'm going to take half off there just to protect the trade, holding 300 shares left. Maybe add some more if it does break, but take profits there in case we get a rejection, if that makes sense. Let's see if we can add some more as we get the break on NIO. Alright, we're battling 13s. We get a break of 13s. I gotta scale into a little bit more here. Big rejection. I can hold the rest break even too if I want. Yeah, we can let it pull back if we think it's gonna bounce here at 907. We might see a bounce here. There's 12s. Like I said, we break over 14s. I'm going to add to this one on NIO. Job actually gapped down for once, guys. So if you're watching JOB, it actually gapped down here. There's 13s. We hit 14s. I'm adding back. I'm in with 700 shares now of NIO. Here's 14s. Just looking for some momentum moves here. Looks like getting out of IO there was the right move. Like I said, what I'm really looking for here, guys, is like ideally I want to see it consolidate around this. Like I want to see some consolidation here and then just a breakout on the upside. Like that's all I'm really waiting for, some consolidation down here and then a breakout on the upside. You know, the previous high of the day is here at 913, and so that level could be a big resistance, level 2. And so we just got to kind of be patient here and let it work down to like 907. And as long as it continues to consolidate anywhere around here, then we're still good. We're still fine. We just need to let it do what it needs to do. And then if it breaks under any risky level, I can just exit. Alright, like this. This is probably the exit level. I'll give it one more second, but yeah, I gotta get out there. So $30 loss, pretty small. I tried to give it the chance for the breakout. We just never got it. Job is back resumed. Their job's at $2. And the SPY is breaking highs here. So let's see what else we got. WKHS, been having some fun with this one lately. We get a dip down to $2. I might buy some of this. Or $22, sorry. We get a dip down to 22. I might buy some here. Alright, there's the dip. I'm gonna buy 100 shares here. Alright, so very small position. We get under 22. I gotta exit this one. Ooh. Big drop. Down under 22. I don't hate it, but it might bounce off the VWAP here too. SPY's breaking highs. CEMI's breaking highs. That one kind of faked me out a little bit. Maybe NIO did too. Yeah, oh, I appreciate that, Benjamin. Yeah, you're right. we got 2 minutes, guys, until what was the thing that came out today? So yeah, guys. So let me go ahead and read this to you. Yeah, so the factory orders for May were projected to show a month-on-month increase of 8.7%. So the factory orders are supposed to come out in 1 minute. I don't know if they're out yet. Let me see if I can find them. I don't know what's going on with this. I might try WKHS here again, over 22. I'm in with 200 shares here. Nothing too crazy. Gonna look for a rip over up to like 30 or so. Here we go. Let's see if it holds here now. Quick rejection, break even now. Alright, we're working here for WKHS. We'll see if it continues to climb up over 25 is a big level now. It's kind of battling back and forth with that. I don't like that. So I just got out there. WKHS, it might bounce at 22, but considering... Alright, so yeah, the factory orders just came out, and so it's probably a good thing I exited there. So USA factory orders month over month for May were at 8% versus the 8.9% expected prior of 13%. This could drop the market with that release. Factory orders ex transportation month over month for May were at 2.6% with a prior revise from 3.7%. So they were actually a little bit lower than expected. These just came out in the last minute. And so remember, guys, like I said, this could influence the market. Here's the SPY itself. But yeah, like I said, guys, the number came out. X transportation month over month for May was at 2.6% with a prior revised of 3.7%. Factory orders month over month for US were at 8% versus the 8.9% expected. Hey, I made money on Job today. I didn't make as much as I could, but I made money on Job. All right, there's the market breaking highs. So we're gonna look for work to rip up a little bit too with it. Yeah, pull this chart up. You know, I don't mind this here for work. Maybe I'm gonna take a larger swing than I should. I'm in with 300 shares here. I'm gonna sell half to protect it. Come on, get out of the way. All right, I'm holding 100 shares left. Made a little bit of my money back for Workhorse. I just want to see this one just pop off though, over 22.50. I like it over 22 though. It's consolidating, and maybe I'll scale back into it if I feel the need to here. There's 40s. 37s. Ooh, I don't like that drop. Yeah, I gotta get out pretty soon. We're gonna see if it just fakes people out or stops people out, but I'm probably gonna exit here soon. Alright, back up to the 20s. Workhorse is just acted, it's consolidating here, so we gotta give it the time to consolidate. Back to green on the trade, but not really loving this. I'm gonna get out there and just keep it simple. Maybe try to ride some breakout consolidation momentum here on it. I'm also looking at NIO here again. Going with 1,000 maybe for NIO. NIO gets up to 14. I'm going to jump in with 1,000. There we go. All right, I'm in with 1,000 shares of NIO here. There's the swing. See, we got this high of the day break here. Ideally, I can let this one hold support. We want to see it up to 25 or so now. Workhorse doing? Ah, Workhorse faked me out again. That's okay. We just want to see it hold support at 13 now. I can pull back here. I think we gotta let it test this at least. Yeah, for sure, Sid. I'm doing alright, James. I mean, red day so far. I mean, I'm green in penny stocks. I'm red on TEFs, but it's a small day so far, man. Holding a little bit of NIO here, seeing if we get the rip up over like the 1920 or the 920s is all I'm really looking for. 920s. I don't want to be too greedy here, but I am with 1,000 shares, and so I have to get some profit from it if I trade it. I'm going to take half off here, I guess, just to protect it. And yeah, there's a big drop as I took half off. So I could be a little bit more patient with 500 shares, I guess. Big drop in WKHS, huge wicks here. Probably gotta get out of NIO. Luckily I took profits where I did. This is why I did that. Alright, we got a little bit of a bounce there. I'll wait. I'm looking for Workhorse to break out here. I'm trying to figure out the best spot to add though. See if that trend line continues to follow here for Workhorse. Alright, we're with 100 shares of Workhorse here. There we go. There we go, you can see both of these. 100 shares of Workhorse, not 1,000. 1,000 shares would be crazy. go, just cracking down. Luckily, I took profits where I did, so it wasn't too bad. Alright, come on. Let's see you break out here. There we go. Nice little breakout here, loving it. Hopefully we can finish this off here. NIO is just too choppy for me today. I'm still holding workhorse here. Sorry, let me put workhorse up so you guys can see it. I'm letting it chop over this 2250 level. See if we can squeeze up and eventually pick up the momentum to break. $22.40 is my risk. So yeah, basically what I'm doing here is I'm trying to see it break over that 2250 level, and it's battling and it's doing all right, but it's kind of consolidating right now. And the biggest thing is I just have to give it time to consolidate and rip. Hopefully it maintains over 2250. You know, is really what I want to see it do, but either way, it's a small position for the most part right now in workhorse. What did I lose all that money on? This is from yesterday. These are yesterday's trades still in because I never reset my platform here. I'm gonna have to reset my platform after this. Because like that's not today's trades. That's from yesterday. I'll wait until I get out of this trade first. What else we got, team? Come on, workhorse. You know you want to. Yeah, there we go. Maybe I could take a little bit of profit here. I just need to see it over this level. It's just not really enough. I'd rather just hold it break even than take $8 profit. Alright, there we go. Finally. Alright, I just took half off there for workhorse. Finally caught it. And a huge squeeze down. Workhorse, you're being sketchy right now. You're being sketchy. Yeah, I gotta get out there. Look at that. I kept it break even, but man, look how sketchy that was. Up, break. Nope. Here, let me, I'm gonna reset TEFs for a second, watch. There we go. See, now I don't have all those crazy positions from yesterday up where I lost on the T-Mix and stuff. This is more reasonable. Alright. Another wannabe trader. There you go. That's all I'm gonna say. I'll just let them know that. Because yeah, in the end, guys, like I said, yesterday I was green. The day before that I was green. I've been trading for like 3 or 4 days in a row, all green. Every day is obviously not going to be green. And if you think every day needs to be green, and if anybody judges you based off of one day's results, they don't know anything about trading whatsoever. Because trading's about the long game. Short-term results are insignificant. I could win, lose, it doesn't matter. You know, everybody's going to make mistakes. Nobody's going to trade perfectly all the time. You know, and like I said, a lot of the time you'll see like brand new traders that watch like a penny stock course or something like that, right? They'll watch like a few videos. And they immediately think that like every day has to be green. Every day does not have to be green. Every day will not be green. Every week's not going to be green, right? And for anybody to judge based off of one day's results just shows really naive thinking and somebody that has not had that much experience as a trader overall. But it is what it is. Like I said, it's all love, man. You know, hope people can really start to understand that and not put so much sway on short-term results, because short-term results are pretty meaningless. You know, you're gonna have good days, bad days. You're gonna trade well, sometimes trade not so well, and like in the end, it doesn't matter, because you know all that ultimately matters is the long-term direction that your account is heading. That's it. Thank you, Steven. You're probably right. That's right. Yeah, it's alright. Like I said, I should probably just disengage. They're probably right, you know. It is what it is. In the end, like I said, guys, the profitable traders don't spend time criticizing traders that they see on YouTube. You know, profitable traders ignore it, leave it alone. You know, if you see somebody criticizing on YouTube, they probably are just losing money and they need a vent somewhere, you know. In the end, it doesn't matter. Let me get back to trading. Look at BLNK. BLNK is ripping up here. I wish I would have seen that. I got too many monitors. Another one I'm kind of looking at is SHLL. SHLL. We're going to look. If I jump in this one, it's going to be a tiny share size, like 25 shares. Alright, I'm in SHLL with 25 shares. My risk is 28.50. Just this very small position here. We're just gonna see if we get an eventual rip up to like the previous high of the day, make a few bucks. SPY's bouncing here too. PLUG, yeah, PLUG. We did talk about that one this morning. It's just up on the electric hype. PLUG is failing. Hey, I appreciate the sub. Shout out to Zach, Grape, Hunter, Mark. Thank you guys. Yo, remember to hit that subscribe button. I do have a fire video dropping today. A really dope video dropping today, guys. So be on the lookout for that. It's going to be on some back testing results for some really popular strategies to see if they actually work or not. That's what it's really going to be on. But yeah, I'm holding SHLL, which is another kind of electric company. I have 3. Yeah, for sure, DJ. Yeah, no stress, brother. We're good, man. Yeah, look, it's all good. Like I said, it's all love, man. In the end, it's okay. You know. I'm up a whopping 225, guys. Maybe I should scale it a little bit more now, maybe. Alright, I'm in with 100 shares. 125 shares actually. We're gonna see if we get the rip up. Under 29, I gotta exit. The problem, the mistake I'm making with this one is just a large float stock, unfortunately. It's just a big float stock. The float's just too big for me. Oh, look at BLNK, guys. BLNK ripping up big here. BLNK. Look at BLNK, team. Huge rips. Probably gonna get out. Hands over the cover button. We get down to the 80s, 2880s. I gotta get out here on the bid. Yeah, I gotta get out there. It's alright. Small loss. BLNK, though, guys, is ripping up. Look at BLNK here. Yeah, this is my favorite song out of the list, guys. This is the dopest song, I think. Check it out. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to get back to kind of my groove with some of these. We break under 530, I'm going to try to scale out, or I'm going to try to short MU maybe here. We're going to see. But BLNK ripping. We'll see if it holds $6 is what I'm curious as. SPY is kind of choppy too. It's tough to make money when the SPY is sideways like it is today. Since the bell, at least, is what I mean by that. But like I said, if you guys watched the stream yesterday I ended down like $100 or something like that, right? But if you saw me in Power Hour and Trader Mike's Discord, and if you watched the stream this morning, I showed you my final P&L. I actually have the video here, if you guys want to see the video too, because I do have that video from yesterday's trading. So I actually ended up a few $100 if you look at my P&L yesterday. And so with that said, this is the first red day I think I've had this week. I don't know if it's, I don't know if it is or isn't. Let me see. Yeah, this is the trade yesterday. You can even see me like clipping it. Let me rewind it. If you guys want to see yesterday's trades. Yeah. Here. Will let me move it. Hold on. Sorry, guys. Like I said, I'm shorting AMD here. Or MU. Sorry, I'm in MU 600 shares short. I'll show you this video in a second after this. I'm looking for 25s, 20 maybe. Yeah, give me a second, guys. I'll show you this video in a minute. Try to be patient here. Ideally, I'd like to see it down to like the whole $1.50, but that's not necessarily reasonable because that's way down here, right? It's very tough to make. Yeah, I'm gonna get out here and just I'm gonna sit for a little while until I see some really good strategies right now. Here, let me show you guys this video. I can do that real quick. Hold on. Here it is. There it is. Alright. Wait. Yeah, here it is. Okay. This is the video from yesterday. You guys see that? So yeah, this is the video. You see me even like I was clipping the images to show you guys here. Let me see. There we go. Shorting AMD. I nailed a little bit. Or no, trading Workhorse. I'm scaling out of Workhorse on the breakout. And then you can see I even clipped the picture of it. There's the old image, and then I'm taking pictures of the new image after I get into it. And so yeah, I ended up about 205 yesterday. So if I do in red today, it's the first losing day this week, I think. But point remains. we're still working, and it's not over yet. I gotta slow it down a little bit though, for sure. The name of the song is called Rain Check by Dylan Sitz, Eli. And again, something else, guys. Yeah, this one's too choppy too. I mean, I could look at MU. I wonder if PLUG is tradable. In the end, I think I gotta slow it down. This is the problem with today, guys. This is the problem with my trading today. Is that if you look at the SPY itself, the SPY itself is sideways. Here's the low. We break under 314, I might pivot to shorts. But the SPY itself and a lot of the stocks I generally trade are sideways right now. Now we can test the lows and break them, but you know, it is what it is. Maybe I can trade some penny plays. PLUG is breaking under the lows, guys. PLUG breaking under lows. All right, market breaks under 315. I might short the heck out of it. We're gonna see though. We're gonna see. Hey, later, James. Hey, guys, remember, the market's closed tomorrow, guys. I completely forgot about that. The market is closed tomorrow for the day before July. That makes sense. Hey, yes, sir. We'll let them hate, let the money pile up, Kirk. Yes, sir. That's right. Yeah, you want the Discord for you. Go shout out to my man Trader Mike's Discord, the dopest of dope Discords ever. It low key is one of the most active Discords that I've seen in penny stocks. A lot of really talented traders in penny stock land. And there's the Discord there. Yeah, and like I say, guys, in the end, you get people are gonna get weird for a number of different reasons in the stock market. Like, people do a lot of different things, and new traders gotta watch out for them. Like, some people will just kind of randomly throw out like 10 different symbols or 10 different sectors or 10 different stocks to watch, and then when one of them finally does something, they harp on that specific stock, right? Or you'll have other people that sell signals. You know what I mean? It's just the trading world is a mess, you know, and we just try to give everybody everything for free, and so, you know, it is what it is. One of the reasons we don't sell a service or anything like that, one of the reasons we don't sell a service is because I would rather not have that pressure to succeed. Like, I don't want the pressure. I could lose every day in a row. I could lose every single day over and over and over again. And nobody can tell me anything, because in the end, I'm not selling a service. I'm not claiming to be an expert. People can get mad or whatever, but I would rather, there's the market breaking lows here. Let me go ahead and short. Alright, I'm in MU with 400 shares here. A quick trade. We're going to see if we catch this low break down to $50 is what we want. 50 bucks. Or we're in 500 shares. I'm sorry, 500 shares, team. Like I said, we want $50. Alright, we're break even right now. Yeah, for sure, Sid. 13s, 8s. I'm gonna go ahead and take half off there. Caught that. Holding 200 shares here. Like I said, $50 would be ideal. I've already scaled out of most of this. I can hold the rest pretty close to break even. It looks like Thinkorswim's a little slow right now too. Here we go. I'm gonna take half off there to protect it, and then we're gonna hold the 100 shares. We got close enough to 50 for me to be all right. Why do I lose every day? Yeah, like I said, I ended the stream yesterday down. I could show you guys the trade again yesterday if you guys don't believe me that I ended red. Look, here's the trades. You can obviously see it's my P&L from yesterday. And I had to do it. Workhorse was just ripping up yesterday, just breaking out huge. And so you can see I was nailing Workhorse here. And was making pretty solid money. But yeah, like I said, I ended yesterday up about $205. If you saw the stream the day before that, you know I ended that red as well. The day before that, if you saw the stream the day before yesterday, I ended green then as well. Day before that, I ended green too. And so, yeah, I don't end every day red, but you know, it is what it is. Alright, so I'm still holding 100 shares. I can out break even on the rest. Yeah, I'm gonna just get out there. I'll take it. Not a bad little $40 win. I don't have E-Trade though, Thomas. I've never used E-Trade before, brother. So I can't tell you whether it's gonna be good or bad or what the deal for E-Trade is. Whether it's gonna work or not work or whatever. Yeah, I've never traded on E-Trade really, so not gonna be able to figure out, you know, how to set up scanners, unfortunately. I might short into AMD here on this little spike. Let me see if I can. Nope. Alright, I'm gonna short into AMD on this little spike up and use the $0.50 of 52.50 as a risk. SPY bouncing up a little bit. Hopefully the market will be nice to me here. Another thing that you guys want to take into consideration, guys, and I think I've seen a few people mention this already, is that tomorrow the market's closed, and so today might actually have a little bit slower, like lower volume today, because less people are trading the market. Some people are going on vacation. Some people are going out of town. The market's closed tomorrow, and so with that said, you know, it's going to be a little bit slower of a day today, I think. The volume's going to be a little bit lower. Maybe we'll get some nice moves, and I'm actually nailing one on AMD here. But I'm going to give this time to see if we break under 42.40. Yeah, 100% Evan. That's right, icon. Yeah, man. Alright, we're going to see what happens here. I'm holding, like I said, 52.50, 52.55 or so could be a risk level here. Plug is bouncing back though, PLUG. There's 45s, 44s. Okay, so we're break even now, 42s. There's 43s. I don't know, man, about Wells Fargo. We're about break even here. I need to see like 35s or so maybe here. I'm trying to be patient with it, but there we go. I'm going to take half off there, holding 200 shares left. get that breakdown under 52.30 is what we really want. The market, if you, just to put it into perspective, guys, I'm gonna hold the rest break even, by the way, but the market is breaking down here, and if I could hold these 200 shares and let the market break down, I mean, that would be the ideal situation. I'm gonna take another half off here and see if we get down to like 52.20s, 52.15 maybe. But the market's breaking down, and that's consequently dragging AMD down here. I'm just going to get out the rest there. The market's bouncing a little bit with the wick, and I'll jump back in it if we break under 52.28. Trying to scalp the bottom a little bit faster with bigger size. Like I said, the market really squeezes down here, breaks lows. Market's at 32,313. Yeah, there's the market bounce. Yes, Daniel. That's correct. Today is Thursday. So today is Thursday, but the market is closed tomorrow because it's the day before the 4th of July here in the US. And so today is Thursday actually, but the market will be closed tomorrow. And so there's no market tomorrow. So yeah, that's the deal. But yeah, that's about right, Daniel. Like I said, we had a lot of examples of some of the strategies I talked about in the last few days. And so if you haven't yet, go check out our latest video. I did drop a dope video on the strategy, very similar to the 3-bar play, but it's a little bit different. And I've had a lot of people call out these instances of these strategies as time goes on. And so go check out this video. It's been getting pretty good views. You can go check it out here. Yeah, there's the link for that. I'm still waiting here. It's still a little bit early. So we're gonna let time go on, see if we can find some more moves. Ideally, what I want to see, just to show you guys, so like you see AMD here. Here's the SPY itself, right? The SPY is just battling, doing the same thing. So if the SPY breaks under 31 or 313.40, I'm gonna short into like AMD or MU like I've been doing, right? And so that's what we're really waiting for the SPY. And you see it dropping here. Now look at AMD. AMD is now dropping here as well. So we're gonna look to scalp some of these moves as that happens. And I'm watching the SPY very, very close. Observed 4th of July. Alright, so market squeezing up. I'm seeing a little bit of strength here for the market. We're gonna wait. Honestly, low-key, I'm waiting to see if we, I'm low-key waiting to see if we, get some, I'm low-key excited to take a break. You know, I'm gonna see if we can get a break, you know. Nice. And KLA Mitch, yeah, I've been checking that one out. Let me see. Yeah, so basically what we have right now, just to show you guys, we also have like QTT ripping up, QTT and penny stock land. I made my money in penny stocks today though. I made money yesterday and today in penny stocks, and I'm starting to get the hang of it a little bit more. My system so far with penny stocks, just to break it down, like today I traded JOB, is that I get in small. if I get in on these dips like this, what I look for is I look for higher lows. And so I think today I bought it like right here, like right around here. When it put in a higher low from here, like here's one low, it put in a higher low right here. I think I bought it there. And then I wrote it up and sold like up here, right? And I've been doing that, and that's been working, but red to green moves have been ridiculously profitable. Like here's a good example of it. This is the one I scalped at the open this morning. I jumped in this red to green move. So you can see I got in right when it broke, it put in a red candle and then broke the high of that candle. Also broke the VWAP. And there were a number of instances of these strategies at the bell today. And like all throughout the day, really. So we had a lot of different variations of these strategies that happened today, a bunch of different times. And so with that, I've nailed the red to green move where we get a few red candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it doesn't really matter. And then we push up and we get some volume coming in and we break those highs. That has been an incredibly profitable strategy for sure. You can also see the 1 minute pullback strategy if you watch the class that I posted here. 1 minute pullback strategy has been legitimately working too. But I'm starting to get better at penny stocks and I'm building my system and I've been kind of slowly growing my profits as time goes on in penny stocks, and it's been going pretty well. It's been going pretty well. Aside from that one mess up from Thinkorswim a few days ago, penny stocks have been going all right. I'm still waiting here. Like I said, we got MU, we got AMD. I don't see anything yet. I'm waiting for the market. I'm waiting for the market to give me stuff. One thing that I got to work on is not forcing trades, and so I'm just waiting for either a low of the day break, a drop in some of these moves, and any of these stocks that I'm watching right now. Like if WKHS breaks lows, I might short that too. So we're gonna see. But we're waiting here. We're trying to be patient. How's everybody's day so far, though, guys? Everybody's day good? Bad? Oh, also, guys, they got 2 ways you can help support us. You know, we're just a free resourcing community. Everything we put out there is free. There's a few different ways you can help support us with that. With all of that said, there's a few different ways, right? The first way is you can get free stocks by signing up to Webull. You know, here's the Webull link. If you're in the US and you're looking for a legit platform to trade on, I think Webull is the best one. Yeah, I made some money, Leah, but I think Webull, you know, if you're in between Robinhood, Webull, Robinhood, I think Webull is obviously the better option. It has candlesticks, it has candlestick charts, it has indicators. It's a way better platform. It's got a desktop and mobile platform. It has free options, trades, 0 commissions on trading. And I think it's just a better platform than Robinhood. You know, it's my subjective opinion. Robinhood, please don't sue me. But with all that said, it's also a great way to help support our channel. If you have not signed up to Webull, if you sign up and deposit $100, I believe you get 2 free stocks. You know, ranging from 15 to like hundreds of dollars. And so, you know, you want to take that gamble and try to get a nice, expensive free stock, go check out Webull. Here's the link. There's the link in the chat right there. You can see to get a free stock, 0 commission, options, trades, plus more. Y'all go check out Webull. Like I said, if you're in between Robinhood or Webull, I think Webull is certainly the better option. The other way is that if you're specifically outside of the US, if you're outside the US, guys, you can check out TradeNet and TEFs, and that's this platform that I'm using right here. Like this platform is TradeNet and TEFs. Again, if you're outside of the US, they have these packages that can be incredibly valuable to traders, right? The first thing is that these packages, like I have a pro package, which is like an $8,000 package, right? It's a much more expensive package. But there are base packages, and again, if you're outside of the US, you can get access to the actual platform here. If you're in the US, you can still buy it, and you can get a course and a demo account and chat room access. But if you're outside of the US specifically, you can get access to the funded account program. In the base package, that's $400, gives you $14,000 to trade with in the funded account program. There's no PDT rule. You can day trade short stocks as much as you want, and it operates like a prop firm. And so there's a 70-30 profit split. So if you make $1,000 net, they're gonna keep $300, you keep $700, and you can wire it to your bank account once per month. And then there's a $700 max loss. But again, so basically, if you buy the base package, the intro package, and you lose $700, you go under $13,300 from the $14,000, they close you down, right? But you're spending $400 on the package, and so it's objectively cheap. It's a really cheap way to get started. You're getting almost twice as much to actually lose than you're paying for it. And again, guys, that you only get access to this if you're outside of the U.S. specifically. If you're in the U.S., unfortunately, they don't allow access to the funded account program. And the only reason I'm able to even have one is because I got grandfathered in. So if you had an account before they made this change, you can keep your account, right? Yeah, don't sue me, bro. But yeah, if you want to check them out, there's the link in the chat there. Appreciate the sub, William, Aiden, Zach. Appreciate the love, guys. And remember, another great way, a free way to help support us is just to hit the subscribe button. You know you want to. Even if you hate me, I might lose, you know. And so hit the subscribe button. Do it right now. You know, I appreciate the support. If you click the bell, you'll get a notification anytime we go live, which is every weekday morning on YouTube. Yeah, I saw that, Devin. That's rough, brother. That's rough, man. All right, so again, we're getting a lot of bounce back here. Here's the market. So this is the SPY right now, guys. This is the SPY. SPY bouncing back. And what do we get? We get AMD bouncing back. We get AMU bouncing back with it. We have some fade setups here, but I'm waiting for the market to show me something. If you like penny stocks, BYFC here. BYFC has been putting in higher lows. It's an ascending triangle, just to show you guys. Look at this triangle. Not the prettiest one, but it is. Basically, all we mean by triangle is that the support and resistance are getting kind of scrunched together. As you can see, it goes up, up. Support and resistance at the top and bottom are getting just kind of crushed together until we get a squeeze up or down in one direction, right? Like that's what we're getting right now. Hey, I appreciate it, Ron Lee. Thank you, brother. Talking about Trump or me, Felix? Hey, look at BYFC, guys. I'm not going to say I told you so, but I absolutely told you so, guys. I'm the best trader ever. You know, praise me. I'm just kidding. Please don't take me serious. I'm obviously just kidding. But give me the praise, guys, because I called that out 100%. Look at that. I told you BYFC was squeezing the support and resistance together. And look at what happens. I'm not going to say I told you so, but I 100% told you so. Hey, I appreciate the sub. Thank you. Y'all be like them and hit the subscribe button. We do this live every single day right here on YouTube. Be like them. Smash the subscribe button. Click the like button. Show support. Let's find some songs. I added some new songs. Let's see what I added. Sir. I told you. Like I said, People act like technical analysis doesn't work. It certainly works. How was I able to predict exactly what's going to happen there? It certainly works. Shorting AUD here with a risk of 67. Very tight risk. If I risk off of this here, market looks weak. Oh no, I bought 1,000 shares here, guys. I did not want to buy 1,000 shares. I thought it was 100 shares. At least my entry wasn't bad, but I gotta be ready to exit here. I bought way too many shares than I wanted. Way too many shares. I mean, I'll be alright. My account can handle it, but I bought 1,000 shares here, team. Oops. I like the rejection there, though. Yeah, I bought way too many shares here, guys. I gotta get out soon. Probably gonna close it down after this, but we'll give it a little bit more time. Alright, well, maybe it'll work out. I'm gonna get out here, take my profit very fast. Holding 500 shares. I guess the mistake worked out. I'm gonna get out the rest there. Oof. Did not mean to buy that many shares, so sometimes a mistake can be a good thing. The pattern worked out exactly like I wanted it to, but did not mean to buy that many shares. Yeah, SPY's breaking lows. Could have made a lot more too. Get out another half there, holding 100 shares left. SPY broke lows. This is exactly what I wanted to see, but man, are we gonna end green today now? That's the question. I'm gonna get out here. Too volatile. Hey, I mean, I made my money on it. Made about $100 there, but maybe Eli. Hey, appreciate it, Joe. No, Thomas. Well, I fought my way back today, guys. I mean, it's not too bad. Maybe overtraded some, but I fought my way back. Not a bad end of the week. This is the only red day I've had this week so far. I don't know Triforce, man. I don't know, man. I don't like to give out picks in that way. I really don't know. Because here's the thing, right? The people that generally give out picks, like I said, there's a few different things they do, right? The people that sell picks and services, right? They either they call out like 10 different stocks, right? And naturally, statistically, you're eventually going to nail one. You know, like one of the things you're going to say is right. And so they call out like 10 stocks, and then when one of them does exactly what they thought, which your odds are definitely in your favor if you call out 10, then they basically focus on that one that did exactly what they thought, right? And you know, it gives a lot of false confidence in the people buying their service. Another way that people do it is that they give out signals, right? And they tell you buy here and sell here, right? But they give you a huge risk level and a tiny reward target, right? And so it's like, yeah, sure, you're going to be profitable most of the time if you give yourself a 5-cent reward target and a 20-cent risk. You know, it's a terrible ratio. It's a terrible ratio. And so people buy their signals and buy their services, and then when they win the first 1 or 2 times because they have a huge risk level, you know, they're like, oh my gosh, this guy knows what he's talking about. Like, if you've ever watched that guy B. Aheza's videos, that guy buys services off of Fiverr. He buys these pick services off of Fiverr. And, you know, he's like, oh my gosh, this guy's always right. It's like, no, he's not always right. Look at the risk-reward level in those trades. Your risk is huge. Your reward level's tiny. Of course you're going to be profitable more times than you're losing. The problem is that when you actually lose in those trades, you're going to lose so much money, it's never going to be worth it. You know, and that's what you got to understand about like signal services and stuff like that. You know, I'm not against all of them. Like, I'm not against people selling courses. I'm not against people selling services. I'm not even against people giving picks as long as you're reasonable about it. You know, people hear me and they think I'm like against it. I'm not. I'm really not. I just think that you got to teach traders about good risk reward ratios so they can understand what they're doing. And I believe in teaching a man to fish instead of giving a man a fish. Alright, SPY about to break lows here. I'm going to scale down now that I've made most of my money. I'm going to get in with 300 shares here of AMD. See if we reject here. SPY's breaking lows. This should drag AMD down, I think. So I'll give it a little bit of time here. But the SPY's breaking lows. So if SPY breaks under 313, it should drag this one down with it. So that's what I'm waiting for here. SPY's trying to break lows. We're slightly green here. Oh, y'all go check out my man Trader Mike's Discord too. If y'all like penny stocks, Trader Mike's probably got the most active penny stock Discord I've ever been in. Legit dude, good dude. And legit good dude. A lot of talented traders in there giving some really good advice and talking about their trades. And so if you want to join, like, it's really the reason I got back involved in penny stocks. Here's the link. Yeah, like I said, legit active Discord. Like I said, it really got me back involved trading penny stocks. Nice. I'm gonna take half off there, guys. Still holding 100 shares of AMD. Like I said, market broke lows. Market's breaking lows, consequently dragging AMD down. Like I said, that was my plan. I can get out break even on the rest if I really want to, or maybe I could add back if I feel like the market's gonna keep washing here. Do I feel like adding back and just using? Yeah, I'm gonna add back here, and then I'm gonna use this 54 level as my risk. So I'm in with 400 shares. Yeah, 400 shares now. So we can take profits quick if we do get the breakdown though. And this has given me the best chance of success while also, you know, limiting my risk. And so I think adding a little bit back on the bounce here, seeing if the market's gonna reject at 313. I'm at 400 shares. Yeah, okay. Like I said, this is my risk right here. That's not gonna let me draw. This is my risk right here. market to wash out. I'm gonna get out here a little bit early, actually, guys. Let's see the market rebounding here. Maybe that's gonna hold, but I don't like it. Market's rebounding some. Hey, I appreciate that, Marcus. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that, man. I think I added the right Discord, right? Oh, my bad, guys. I added you the wrong Discord. That's not Trader Mike's. That's my Discord. My bad. Here, hold on. Sorry, guys. I literally put the wrong Discord in. Let me remove that. This is Trader Mike's. I was like, wait, did it work? No, it didn't. This is Trader Mike's Discord. Sorry, team. Look at that fake out rejection. Maybe I'll get in with 200 shares just so I don't have too much FOMO. I'm in with 200 shares. Hey, see you, Nancy. Here's Trader Mike's. There's Trader Mike's right there. Look at BYFC, guys. I'm not going to say I told you so with BYFC, but look at BYFC. I let a little bit of FOMO get the best of me here. I'm going to wait. Market's consolidating. That's great, John. End the day green. I don't know, man. Maybe, maybe not. Look at BYFC though. I probably should have taken that one. Look at that. And they even held support where I drew. Like, look at this line. Look at that. Solid breakout there. And that's why, like, listen, if you've heard me here for a while, I talk bad about penny stocks. Like, I talk smack about penny stocks for a long time. And, you know, there was a while where I didn't think you could actually make money trading them. I think part of the reasons I dislike penny stocks was just kind of the sleazy nature of some of the people out there in the penny stock world. But as I started to, like, really look into penny stocks and really practice and really start analyzing the strategies, they work. I'm green the last few days in penny stocks, and the strategies are predictable. Like I said, I called this one out on BYFC, exactly what I thought was going to happen. Low floats cause predictability because the lower the float, the easier it is to bet off of people's emotions, and that's what I didn't understand. Like, you might hate penny stocks, and I get it. I still trade mid and high cap stocks. I'm going to keep trading mid and high cap stocks, but penny stocks work well because you can take advantage of people's emotions in an easier way. You can predict squeezes easier. You can see the squeezes happening faster, exactly like this. And they just work. It just works. All right, AMD. Look, I'm gonna try one more time. Market's breaking lows. I'm in with 300 shares. Do me right here, AMD. Come on, just give me that nice breakdown down to like 52. Getting the breakdown that I wanted. There we go. I'm gonna take half off there. I finally got the breakdown I wanted. It took me too long to catch it. I was too emotional about it, to be honest. Give me down to like 52. All right, let's get this break. We're testing the lows of AMD here, just to show you AMD. I'm testing the lows. Let's get this breakdown. Right here's the low. We might bounce. Obviously, this is a big bounce level, but if we can break under 28, that's weak. Let's see the break. There's 29s. Yeah, here's the bounce. Like I said, we need this break here. I might add into this break too. See if I can scalp. wait, see if I can add into the break. The market's bouncing a little bit, which is causing MU to bounce too. Or AMD, sorry. Like under 28, I'm gonna add 400 shares and just try to scalp the rest here. There's 31s. Yeah, see, this is a big level. We're gonna have to let this work. $36s, I'm gonna get out here. I'm out. Because I don't know. Yes, exactly, Felix. What cap stocks do you trade? I trade a little bit of everything. I trade mid and high caps. I trade penny stocks. I trade AMD, MU, Disney, Tesla. I also trade Workhorse, WKHS, BLNK, BYFC. I traded today. JOB. I got stuck in the halt of JOB at the open this morning, but made some money with it though. So yeah, I trade a little bit of everything. I trade penny stocks. I use like 4 different platforms. Oh, also guys, another thing you want to help support us, let me find this. Here it is. Another way you can help support us, guys, what I was going to say is, like, if you need to help support, listen, first of all, I'm in the Houston area, and so if you need a realtor in the Houston area, I got my real estate license. We can look at houses and talk trading the whole time. And so if you need a realtor in the Houston area, or really in Texas, if you're close enough to me, I'll drive to you. Let me know. Here's the link for that. Also, there's the link right there for my realty information. Also, even if you're not in Texas and you're looking to buy or sell real estate, I can research the best agent in your area and refer you to them. And that'll also help support us because that'll be a referral for me. And so if you're in Texas, or even if you're not in Texas and you need real estate, if you need a real estate agent, if you're outside of Texas, like I said, I can refer you to the best agent in your area, and that's a good way to help support us. If you're in Texas, like specifically the Houston area or anywhere close to here, hit me up and I can be your realtor. And so there's the link in the chat. Like I said, do not call the number there. I don't have my public number up there because I don't want people, you get a lot of trolls and just insecure people that just they don't have anything else to do. They're just insecure, and so they just want to mess with me, probably because I make them insecure. But with that said, there's a contact form there that'll email me, and we can chat on email. And then if you're real, then we can talk about it and we can start chatting, and I'll give you my phone number. But yeah, like I said, you need to buy or sell a house, wherever you are, hit me up. There's the link in the chat. Like I said, I don't have my number up there. That number is just to the office, so you're not going to reach me by calling that number. But just email me, and there's a contact form on that site, and just email me and hit me up. And yeah, like I said, we can talk after that. Hey, well, hit me up, Grant. Hey, well, hit me up, Joe. Like I said, brother, there's a contact form right there. Joe and Grand, there's a contact form. Just send me a message, brother. Just put your email in that message and I'll email you. Or you could just email me at beginnertrading@gmail.com. At beginnertrading@gmail.com. You can email me there and we can talk about it. But yeah, both of those are good ways to help support us. I'm waiting for AMD here to see what the market does. We break under 5230s. I'm gonna scout back into this one. Hey, see you, Tiny. Hey, nice, Sonny. Northside H-Town. Hey, that's right around where I am, Nola. I'm from Louisiana too. Just to give you a heads up. Like I'm from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. So go Tigers, you know. But yeah, I see you, Tiny. The reason I say that is because I see your name's Nola, which is New Orleans, you know. Alright guys, I'm waiting here. This will be the last trade I get into. My trade history, yeah, it's right here. Traded a little bit too much today. And like I said, the thing you want to understand is like I'm not an expert here. Like I'm not a guru. I'm not trying to... I missed it here. I'm shorting into AMD with 500 shares here. I'm shorting into AMD on this low break with 500 shares. And so I'm in AMD with 500 shares here. I don't mind scaling into it on a bounce back there. The market's starting to look like it's going to break lows. But yeah, what I was gonna say is like I'm not an expert here. I'm not claiming to be an expert. Like we're just a free resource and community for traders. So like we don't sell a service or anything like that. Like we're just a resource for traders to get together and learn. And you can watch me trade if you want. Getting a squeeze up here. Just faked out on AMD. I'll give it one more second to see if the market breaks down with it, but probably about to get out here. Yeah, out. So $100, a little bit less than $100 in the day. That's fine. But yeah, I'm probably going to close it down, guys. If I trade any more, I'll post it to Trader Mike's Discord. Fabian, I don't know, man. You're going to, you know. Hey, no stress. Time to get the grill out? Because Sir said, you know. Yeah, I'm from BR. Why? I'm guessing you're from BR? Yeah, no stress, Red. Alright, team. Looks like I got faked out here. I'm gonna try it. Maybe a little bit of FOMO. The problem though is that the market rebounded here. I keep saying I'm done. Maybe I should hang it up. Ideally, I'd like to see the market kind of rip down here. I appreciate it, Thomas. Yeah, y'all hit that subscribe button, team. Click the bell. Hit that subscribe button. We do this live every single day on YouTube for free. Hey, later, Felix. Later, brother. I might buy 500 shares real quick here. I don't know. Market looks like it's going to break down here, and I think that's what's dragging us down. I'm going to stop myself. I don't want to trade anymore. I moved away from Baton Rouge 10 years ago. I don't live there anymore. I live there. I was born in Baton Rouge, but I don't live there anymore. We moved away 10 years ago. We moved to Houston a while back. Obviously, I still support LSU, you know, but. Hey, later, Mitch. Have a good day, brother. Like I said, if y'all are interested in all that stuff, hit me up. go ahead and close it down. Like I said, y'all go check out my latest video. I should be dropping another video this afternoon. And so, there's a powerful trading strategy video right there. Like I said, if you want to use the same platform as us that allows you to actively day trade, no PDT rule shorting ability and all that good stuff, only if you're outside the US can you get access to the platform. If you're in the US, you know, I would check out Webull. But yeah, there's the link for that too here. You can check out, there's TEFs if you're outside the US and you want to get around the PDT rule. There's the link for that. If you're in the US, y'all go check out Webull. You get 2 free stocks for signing up and depositing $100. And so, like I said, guys, be on the lookout for that video. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Oh man, I want to buy 500 shares here. Here, where's my mouse at? There we go. Close, close. I gotta do it. I'm in with 500 shares. I hope I don't get faked out again. 32s are my risk. That's right. Go Tigers, DJ. Yes, sir. Go Tigers. You know. Alright. Alright. I'm just looking for a big breakdown here down to like 52 ideally. Hey, you as well, DJ. I might keep this one and done though. I'm just gonna exit this one ASAP if it goes against me or if it goes in my direction. I talked myself into it, guys. I said I wasn't gonna do it and I did it anyway. I'm gonna get out there. Yeah, I'm gonna close it down. I'm out of here, guys. Good luck. Is what it is. This is my first red day today, or red day this week. Every day's been green so far this week. So later, team. Have a good day. We'll see you guys next time. Appreciate all the love and support. Hit the subscribe button, guys. Be on the lookout for more videos coming today and maybe tomorrow, since tomorrow the market's closed. But good luck, guys. We'll see you guys next time. Have a good day, and we'll see you guys later. Yeah, that's right, Fernando. That's accurate.